This Riley Gamecock, which is 1932, has just come to us actually, just driven the best part of 100 miles. It's a nice, well-sorted car actually. The owner has had it about 21 years. The Gamecock was quite a short-lived model, not much longer than 1 year production, and around 350 I believe to have been built, and about 65 or so are known to survive. So a reasonably rare car, a sporting two-seater that's got the advantage of a decent-sized luggage boot, and quite a spacious cockpit too. This is older restoration, properly sorted car though, in very good order. She runs nicely, very nicely. As with most of the sportier 9s, she's got the special series engine, still with magneto ignition, so pretty much as she would have been built. Also well shod with fairly recent Longstone tyres, which make a big difference on these actually. The directional stability is excellent. Compared with many other sporting two-seaters of the period, actually the Gamecock's a very comfortable car. You know, the driving position feels just right, and you know, they are very pleasant. Good weather equipment, including a tonneau cover, ready to go. Flashing indicators are fitted for safety in modern traffic, and the brakes are good actually. As 9s go, she feels very, very good on the road.